My favourite part about the interior, if I had to pick one thing, because I think I should have Ed's favourite pick of a car. Ambient lighting all the way. This car has got really, really good ambient lighting in it, and even though it's like it's not exactly an S-Class, is it? But Mercedes like to throw in these things to give you that sort of, well, ambiance, ambient lighting, give you that sort of feel of class, and it runs across the dashboard, in the actual air vents itself, which is really cool, and in the door cards as well. And obviously you have a choice of colours from the main screen that you can use. My stepbrother's gone for purple, which I think is nice. It goes with a sort of futuristic theme, but if you have no taste, you could set it as pink if you really fancied.